Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. See, this is the Jaguar MK1 or Mark 1, and this is by Hotwheels, and MRP of this is 179. I bought it for MRP, and I don't know, some people were asking about this particular casting. I'm not really sure what's special about it. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. So in the prelude video, I actually told you guys about the rims on this one, because I personally never saw this set of rims in any of the Hot Wheels which I own, because I didn't actually collect Hot Wheels when I was a kid. That's like a dream for me when I was a kid. So the time when I bought Hot Wheels, see, that time I was not fixated on Hot Wheels or Matchbox. Those are the two brands which are available at that time. Okay, here is the card art. Okay, let me put this aside. Okay, so let me just talk about this casting now. I will tell you the personal story later on. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks really solid, and they went with this matte blue. It is like, what I can say, I don't have anything in this specific blue. It's kind of grayish blue or bluish gray, you can say. Okay, the livery is very simple. I think you can put number here in the actual car, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so it has headlight details here, and it has this number plate details here. Get one. Let me see if I can focus a little bit more. Here it is. So it has this chromed out bumper and the entire chassis. So the rear doesn't have any tail light details, but it is embossed. I mean, it is protruding out. That is really great, and you can see that details on the trailer also. I mean, the dicky here. I don't know what you guys call in other countries, but in India we call this as dicky. So okay, so the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic. It's chromed out plastic. Honestly, I'm not fan of this particular chassis or any chromed out chassis in general. Okay, so okay, the rims are actually okay. Now I remember, I do have the set of rims in one of my car which we recently unboxed. I don't know what car is that, but I do remember. I do remember now. I do have this particular set of rims. Okay, so it has some good interior detailing to it, but again, they went with this uh, black tinted windshield. The windshield has some scratches in mine, but yours might not have, so don't worry about it. Okay, so I'm calling this as a dicky because see, I am from Tamil Nadu. In my state, we usually call this as a dicky. I don't know if in your language it means something else. I'm really sorry about that. So okay, so rear of the car, okay, whatever it is. Okay, so I think this is a fuel filler cap here, that is also embossed. That is really great, and even the door handles are embossed. See, this car actually has a lot of neat, really nice detailing to it. So my only wish is they could have just painted a little bit here and there. That they would have elevated this casting a little bit more. But I'm not complaining on this one because they gave headlight details, three side detailing, that is good. So that's good enough for a mainline. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Maybe 30-35 grams, let's see. Okay, 32 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Oh my god. Okay. Dude, the wheel is not even touching the ground. See, even in this mat, you guys can see the front. Until or unless I put some pressure here, like I'm actually pressing this car down, then only it is actually rolling, or else it is not rolling. You can see the front wheels are stuck. Yeah, it is a bit tight. It is a bit tight. It is not rolling at all. Okay, there is no point of trying the roll test again. Okay, so let's rate this car. See, my car actually has some kind of scratch here. So again, it's negligible because it's not a common issue. But this rolling problem, I'm not sure whether this is like a common issue which everyone is going to face. Okay, maybe I'm just taking point 0.5 out of that because I'm not sure if this is like a common thing, but this doesn't roll at all because Hot Wheels are advertised as something you can play with. This is not playable. So if you ask me, I would even take 1 out of 10. So this is not even playable at all. See, if you are a kid, if you want to play with this, see the front wheels are not even rolling. Alright. See, even if you put a little bit of, or if you need to actually put some pressure on this. Even after that, if the pressure is on the rear end, it is not, the front wheels are not rolling properly. You need to apply proper pressure on the front wheel also. So don't get me wrong, guys, but I'm taking 1 out of 10, so 9 out of 10 for this casting. So just let me know in the comments if you bought this specific casting in this specific color when in case yours actually rolling or not. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.